my goodness, look at this place. It is so big, so golden, so beautiful. But what is this place? And how do I talk about it in English? Today, Emma goes to a Thai temple. Let's go. First, let's learn 3 important words. Temple, a special building where people pray. Say it, temple. In Thailand, temples are called Wat. This temple is Wat Phra Kaew, very famous. Golden, the color of gold. Yellow and shiny. Say it, golden. The temple is golden, enormous, very, very, very big. Say it, enormous. The statue is enormous. Great, now let's go inside. Wow, I see something big and golden. I don't know what it is. I say, what is that? Say it with me, what is that? That is a Buddha statue. Now I know, I can answer too. It is a Buddha statue. Say it. It is a Buddha statue. We use it is to describe one thing. Short form, it's a statue. It's a temple. It's a flower. The temple is golden, peaceful, amazing. Emma says, it's beautiful. Say it. It's beautiful. Again. It's beautiful. I want to take a photo, but I must ask politely. I say, can I take a photo? Say it. Can I take a photo too? Is how we ask for permission, politely. Can I sit here? Can I try this? Can I take a photo? Oh, look at this sign. At a temple, we must be quiet and respectful. The sign says, please be quiet. Say it. Please be quiet. Please makes any sentence polite. Please sit down. Please be quiet. Please wait. Now, watch Emma's full conversation at the temple. Excuse me, what is that? Guide. That is a golden Buddha statue. Emma. Oh, it's enormous. It's beautiful. Guide. Yes, and please be quiet inside. Of course. Can I take a photo? Guide. Yes, you can, but no flash, please. Thank you so much. Quiz time. Ready? You see something big and golden. You don't know what it is. You say, what is that? Someone tells you it is a temple. You answer, it is a temple. The temple is amazing. You say, it's beautiful. You want to take a photo? You ask politely, can I take a photo? Wonderful. You speak English like a real traveler. Next time, Emma tries Thai food for the first time. She will learn, what is this? It's delicious. And it's too spicy. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Bye-bye.